This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Cody Martens. Say goodbye to HOAs, lot rent, and deed restrictions. Bring your toys, build a workshop, or anything else you desire on this property of nearly half-acre with no restrictions. Zoned MDRMH, which allows for a manufactured, mobile, or site-built custom home, leaving you plenty of options for your choice of home. Title research shows a previous mobile home on the property. Flood Zone X, which does not require flood insurance. Fenced on both sides and rear of the property. Owner financing is not available. Well and septic needed. Spectrum cable and internet are available. For more information, review the details below or contact Cody Martens at 813-810-1569.